I'm PK Pathak. I'm Assistant General Manager in Smart Systems, Hyderabad. We are the original equipment manufacturer for sample preparation and mineral beneficiation machines. Now, sample preparation, when I talk about it, is the sample preparation for XRF, XRD, and for OES analysis. Now, for XRF analysis, we have been manufacturing equipments that are required for crushing and grinding and then pelletization. Now, stand-alone machines we have been manufacturing for the last 20 years. Now, we have recently developed the automatic system, fully automatic systems, which has absolutely no manual intervention in that. And the machines are giving a very consistent result. These machines were earlier being imported only, but now our machines are being used in various industries like JSW Bellary for OES, and these XRF machines have been recently developed. They are now being sold to the negotiations are on with various customers like Visakhapatnam Steel Plant and ACC, like that. So these are the various equipments that we manufacture. For mineral beneficiation, we have a full range of machines for beneficiating various minerals, increasing the concentration of those minerals there in the ores. The new products are the fully automatic systems for XRF, XRD, and the mineral beneficiation full range of machines. See, these machines are, the purpose is, grinding the particular sample to a level for mineral beneficiation where the minerals get liberated, and then you collect those minerals that are useful for you, and the rest of the things are wasted. So for beneficiation of those things, the sample is ground to a very fine size, to the desired fine size, and then it is beneficiated. Depending on the customer feedback, we are upgrading our machines on a continuous basis. Continual improvement is our motto, and we are working on those principles. So all the feedbacks that we get from the customers, they are translated into engineering, and then we produce the machines. We upgrade our machines continuously. The objective of our company is very clear. See, we spend almost 33% of our total revenue for the research and development. We want to make the country free from importing any machines from outside. We are developing ourselves, and we are almost now self-reliant. Our design section, our manufacturing section is capable of manufacturing the automation to any level which is a need of the hour today. The aim, it's very, very difficult to pinpoint what is our aim, but the aim is this only, that we want to make the country self-reliant in this field. We are manufacturing the equipments. Whatever is the need of our customer, we go by the need of the customer, we translate that into engineering, and we produce machines what is required by them.